So right now it's 1:48 p.m. in Canberra, and that is the value of the Dark Tower. The Dark Tower, written out, adding up the letters according to their place in the alphabet, the Dark Tower equals 148. And today's Tuesday, 27th of March 2018, which is a month before my birthday, and I was born on Tuesday the 27th of April. And now it's 149. Bad boy equals 49. So 4 and 9 equals 13. I was 13 in 1989. And the Dark Tower, 1, 4 plus 8, yeah, equals 13. So, what's happening with the weather? Well, we have some clouds, and last night we had some very heavy rain around Cairns. Rainfall rates up to 100 millimeters per hour, which is extreme heavy rain. And speaking of Nathan Breeze and Jacob Wetling, they're the boys that I talk about a lot in my videos. Well, Nathan died age 13, and it is 13 kilometers an hour. That didn't make any sense. 13 kilometers per hour is the current wind speed in Canberra, and Nathan was 13 years old, which is also the wind speed in Hobart. And the boy who is the psychic reflection of Jake and Nathan, well, he was 15. There's no 15 kilometers an hour anywhere at the moment, but he was born on the 6th of the 9th, 6th of September, and he will turn 16 this year. So Jake, like I said, Nathan, he was 13 years old. He was born on the 24th of November. So the 24th of November will be a date to watch this year, Saturday the 24th of November, as well as Sunday the 24th of June, because I know someone else who's turning 9 on that day. Jake, born on the 17th. Nathan, 13 years old. Nathan, 13 years old. Jake, born on the 17th. And Jake died on the 22nd. So, yeah, I seem to see a lot of reflections in the wind speeds and stuff in relation to Jake and Nathan, but I guess that's not surprising because Jake, his last name is Wetling, which means weather child, and Nathan's last name is Breeze. And yeah, Nathan was 13. 13 is the current wind speed in Sydney, Perth, Hobart, and Canberra. So 13, yeah, that's a breeze. You wouldn't call that a wind. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. Making a prophecy is a breeze, if you're Nathan or Jacob. And what is their prophecy? Haven't got to that yet, have I? Well, first we should check the time. Okay, it's 1:52. And 1:52, that's coincidence, because 1:52 just happens to be the value of Cyclone Marcus. If you write it out, Cyclone Marcus equals 152, and Cyclone Nora equals 125. So like reflective numbers. And that's the time, 1:52 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday 27th of March 2018. And what's interesting, well, there's lots of interesting things in the world, but what is very interesting right now, from my perspective, right now, is that bad, evil, wicked, jakey, Satan all has the same value as Iris, 55. Bad, evil, wicked, jakey, Satan, Iris. Iris is like the colour part of the eye. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And the twins, Daniel and Samuel, in Red Rain by R.L. Stein, which is a novel. 12-year-old identical twins, Daniel and Samuel. Well, they have blue eyes, so blue irises. 5 plus 5 is 10. Have Faith Josh Tan, 9:45. And when's this supposed to be? Where's my rewind? Because this is what I've noticed. Something interesting. Yeah, see, this is for Sunday. It's meant to be what's happening on Sunday, perhaps. Sunday, 4 p.m, Sunday. And there's a low pressure, showing a low pressure off the coast of Queensland. Now this is an area that's already had a lot of flooding and drama. I mean, there were 40-something people rescued last night, 42 people rescued last night from caravan parks in Cairns. From heavy rain, up to 100 mils an hour. That'll do that. So this message here, this goes back to the 12th of May 2012, which was a Saturday, and 12. 7 and 5 is 12. The twins, Daniel and Samuel, were 12 years old. So Marcus was the storm that hit Darwin on the 17th of March, which was the Saturday, 17th of March, a month after Jake's birthday. Marcus has the same value as teenager, the boy Deviant. Deviant boy, Satan. A deviant boy. And a reflection of that is Owen. Owen equals 57. So Owen is a reflection of Marcus. See? Owen, Marcus. Jacob's bad daffodil, 57. Bad snake. Bad snake, Satan, 57. And then if you add them together, 75 and 57, add them together, you get 132. The value of, I guess I should highlight Owen, and I should highlight Marcus, and I should highlight Cyclone Iris. Now Cyclone Iris has already been. What you're looking at here, or there, on my paused TV, is ex-tropical cyclone Iris. She's already done her thing. But her remnants are just doing something weird. And here you have 666, has the same value as Cyclone Iris, 3 6s, Storm Time, Blonde Twins, the Daffodil Boy, the Teenage Boy, Horny Devil, Flogging Satan, the Bad Snake Boy, Sexual Snake, Young Snake, Sean Myrtle. So instead of 12-year-old twins, 13-year-old twins. 13 twos are 26, the value of God. And if you spell God backward, you get dog. Jake had a pet dog named Marcus. Now, a lot of reflections there, a lot of interesting stuff going on between Marcus and Owen and Iris. And I mean, I could have done a lot more stuff. I could have put heaps more stuff here on the number 132 or whatever. But you know, I'm just giving you the general gist of things. General gist is all you need. It's 156 now, and it's about to be 157. That's kind of interesting, because Owen equals 57, Daffodil equals 57, and 5 plus 7 equals 12. Tuesday, 27th of March. Jake equals 27. I was born on a Tuesday. 1:57 p.m. Something to do with daffodils actually has a value of 157 too. I forget what it is. But anyway, I can show you something. Actually, here's something interesting right now. Check this out. Nathan was 13 and he died near Melbourne, Kinglake West, in a bushfire. So 13 was Nathan's age, which is also the wind speed right now in Sydney. So 13-year-old twins, and Jake died aged 11. Here we have 11-year-old twins. And if you add 11 and 11, you get 22. Jake died on the 22nd. The 22nd. Nathan was born on the 24th, which is 2 12s. Hobart and Canberra. 13 and 11. Again, Nathan, born on the 24th. 24th of November, a date to watch. Turn 9 on its head and you get 6. Turn 6 on its head you get 9. The whole 9 and 6 stuff, which I've talked about a lot. And 19, the keystone number in the Dark Tower. The name Darwin equals 69. Red Rain equals 69. Interesting. And now we have 19 kilometres an hour in Sydney, as well as Darwin. Keystone number in the Dark Tower, 19. So, interesting. And there's a very cool little thing here in weather maps. Or at least I think it's cool. Interactive weather and wave forecast map. Now I've already looked at this. I just made another video before this. And so it should just play when I press play. It should just play quickly, straight away. Yes. Watch this system here. This is ex-tropical cyclone Iris. And usually you'd expect this to move away, down south and swing off down here. Come down and it'd swing off, or it'd go out here, it'd just disappear, whatever. But watch it. Watch Ex-Cyclone Iris. What the models are saying it's going to do. And then keep in mind that this is Good Friday, the date that commemorates Jesus being crucified and all that. And then this is Easter Sunday. And this Easter Sunday, the resurrection date, is also April Fool's Day. Jake and Nathan were huge fans of April Fool's Day because they both liked playing pranks. They were both pranksters. Practical jokers, like they just liked to keep people on their toes. And they like to make people laugh. So this Sunday, April Fool's Day, the resurrection date, is the Sunday. And yeah, I would not be surprised if this ends up being something quite interesting. Personally, I'll be surprised if it doesn't. I can guarantee you it will be interesting, because how often is Easter Sunday April Fool's Day? Not often. So I don't think our wind speeds have changed. Canberra's 11 kilometres an hour, Hobart 13. Yeah, that is pretty interesting in my humble little opinion. And what do we got? 2:01 PM, Tuesday, 27th of March 2018. So this Sunday, Easter Sunday, April Fool's Day, a big date on the calendar in the world of Jacob Wetterling and Nathan Breeze, and a date to watch for sure.